Hello everyone, myself Mahantesh Kukudi. Welcome you all to the coordinate geometry continuing part, that is exercise 7.3, third problem onwards. So in the last session I discussed about derivation of area of triangle for the given coordinates, and we solved if three coordinates of the point of a triangle are given, then how to find out area of that triangle. Now, by using that condition only, we have to solve that remaining problems. Here we have to solve exercise 7.3, third problem now. That third problem is find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Here one triangle is there. That triangle coordinates are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. For these coordinates we have to locate midpoints. If we join those midpoints, we are going to get another triangle. So we have to find out what is the area of that another triangle and how area ratio of the another triangle and given triangle areas ratio we have to find out. Here we have to go for solution. Let ABC be the given triangle with coordinates 0, -1. Here A of 0, -1, B of 2, 1 and C of 0, 3. So here we have to take three coordinates. So one is, this is A, this is B, this is C. A coordinates are 0, -1, B coordinates are 2, 1 and C coordinates are 0, 3. So if you join these 3 points, this is the given triangle. Now what he is asking, we have to find the area of a new triangle which is formed by midpoints of AB, BC and CA. Here this one I am going to consider as point D. This one midpoint of AB is point D, midpoint of BC is point E and midpoint of AC is point F. So now what is required, we have to find out area of triangle DEF, and after finding area of triangle DEF, we have to find a ratio of area of triangle DEF with area of triangle ABC. So now what we have to write here, D comma E and F are midpoints of AB, BC and AC respectively. So therefore coordinates of D, E and F are, so how to find coordinates of D, E and F? By using midpoint formula we have to find out. So what midpoint formula says? By midpoint formula, by midpoint formula. What midpoint formula says? Here x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Therefore, coordinates of D. How to find coordinates of D? Here, coordinates of D is the midpoint of AB. So, x1, y1, x2, y2 you have to consider 0 plus 2 divided by 2. Here, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So, if you simplify this, 0 plus 2 is 2 by 2. This is 0 by 2. So, 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. So, coordinates of point D is 1, 0. Next, we have to go for coordinates of point E. How to find out coordinates of point E? Point E is midpoint of BC. So here coordinates of point E is equal to, here this is a x1 y1 you have to take, this is x2 y2 you have to take. So what happens? 2 plus 0 divided by 2, 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 plus 0 is 2 by 2. This is a 1 plus 3 is 4 by 2. If we simplify this, 2 ones are 2 ones are. So it will become 1, 2 ones are 2 twos are. It will become 2. So the coordinates of point E are 1, 2. Next we have to go for coordinates of point F. How to find out coordinate of point F? F is midpoint of AC. So here coordinates of F, that is equal to, here x1 y1 x2 x1 y1 x2 y2. So that is 0 plus 0 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So 0 by 2 is 0 plus 0 is 0 by 2. This is minus 1 plus 3, that is 2 by 2. So this is 0 by 2 is 0. 2 ones are 2 ones, it will become 1. So here this point is point D, 1, 0. E is 1, 2. F is 0, 1. So now to find area of triangle DEF, here coordinate of D, that is 1, 0, coordinate of E, that is 1, 2, coordinate of F, that is 0, 1. So this one you have to take as x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. So now area of triangle. Area of triangle. What area of triangle formula says? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is a formula for area of triangle for the given coordinates. Already we derived this formula in the last session itself. So now in this area of triangle, area of triangle DEF, that is equal to, this half you have to write as it is. x1 value is 1, y2 is 2, y3 is 1 plus x2 value is 1, y3 value is 1 minus y1 value is 0 plus x3 value is 0 into y1 minus y2 y1 is 0, y1 is 0 minus y2 is 2. So this is equal to half into here 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 again will become 1 here, plus 1 minus 0 is 1 only. 1 into 1, this is also 1. 0 into any number is 0. So plus 0. So this is equal to half into here 1 plus 0, that is 2. Next what happens? 2 ones are 2 ones are. So what is remaining? Only 1 is remaining. Therefore area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 square units. So now we got smaller triangle DEF area. Now we have to find out area of a bigger triangle ABC. Then we have to go for ratio for that. Now to find area of triangle ABC. Here A coordinates, it is 0 comma minus 1, B coordinates, that is 2 comma 1, and C coordinates, now to find area of triangle ABC, we have to consider coordinate A of 0 comma minus 1, B of 2 comma 1, and C of 0 comma 3. So this first coordinate we have to call x1 y1, second coordinate we have to call x2 y2, and third coordinate we have to call as x3 y3. So now area of triangle ABC. So according to the area of triangle formula, what it says, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So we have to use area of triangle formula. Then if you substitute values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 in this formula, we are going to get area of triangle. So half as it is, x1 is 0, y2 is 1 minus y3 is 0, plus here x2 is 2 minus y3 is 3, y1 is minus 1. So we have to write minus in the bracket. Then plus x3 value is 0 and y1 value is minus 1 minus y2 value is 1. So we have to close the bracket. So this is equal to half into 0 into any number is 0 only. So this entire value becomes 0 plus here this 2 I am writing as it is, 3 also I am writing as it is, minus into minus plus 1 plus 0 into any number is 0 only. So this entire term value becomes 0. So then this is a half into 0 plus 3 plus 1, 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 0. So what happens? Half into here 0 plus 8 plus 0, that is 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So this is 4 square units. So this is a area of triangle ABC. So now therefore ratio of triangle DEF to the area of triangle ABC is equal to ratio of area of triangle DEF to the area of triangle ABC, that is equal to area of DEF divided by area of ABC. This is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but 1:4. This is our required solution. Now we have to go for fourth problem. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. See here, coordinates of quadrilateral are given. So by using that, we have to find out area of that quadrilateral. See here, roughly I am going to take, there is a quadrilateral. So I am going to consider one rough quadrilateral. It is like this. So this one I am going to name as A, B, C, D. Then coordinates of the quadrilateral are given. So what are the coordinates? First coordinate -4, -2. Second coordinate -3, -5. Third coordinate 3, -2 and fourth coordinate, that is 2, 3. Now by using these four coordinates, how to find out area of this quadrilateral? So this is our question. How to solve for this? We don't know how to find out area of quadrilateral directly by using the coordinates. But we know that finding the area of triangle with the help of coordinates. So for that reason, we have to join AC. If you join AC, that quadrilateral is divided into two parts. Those are triangles. Now, with the help of area of triangle formula for the given coordinates, we have to find out area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ACD separately. After finding the area of both triangles, if you add both the triangles area, it will be same as area of quadrilateral. So now here in this solution, let ABCD be the given quadrilateral. Right? Then we join A and C. So to find out after joining A and C, that quadrilateral is divided into two parts. So therefore, area of ABCD, area of quadrilateral ABCD, that is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Right? So we have to find out separately area of triangle ABC and we have to find out area of triangle ACD. Both separately we have to find out with the help of area of triangle formula, and we have to add the both triangles area. So now to find area of triangle ABC, here coordinates are, A coordinates are -4, -2, B coordinates are -3, -5 and C coordinates are 3, -2. Now this one you have to consider as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. After getting three coordinates with the help of area of triangle formula, what it says, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So now in these variables substitute the value of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So area of triangle ABC, that is equal to half as it is. Here x1 is minus 4, y2 is minus 5, minus y3 is minus 2. We have to close this. Then x2 is minus 3, y3 is minus 2, minus of y1 is minus 2. Close the bracket. Then plus x3 is 3, y1 is minus 2, minus of y2 is minus 5. So we have to simplify very carefully because so many negative values are there. So this minus 4 as it is, minus 5, minus into minus plus 2, plus this minus 3 as it is, here minus 2, minus into minus plus 2, then this 3 as it is, here minus 2, minus into minus plus 5. We have to close this. Then this is equal to half into, here what happens, minus 4, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, plus minus 3, this is 0, then this is a 3 into minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3. So next step, half into minus into minus plus 4 3 is 12, 0 into minus 3 is 0, so this is a 0, then 3 3 is a 9, so 9 I am going to write here. So if you solve for this, half into 12 plus 9, that is 21. So this is nothing but 21 by 2 square units. Therefore area of triangle ABC, that is equal to 21 by 2 or 10.5 square units. Now to find area of triangle ACD, here we have to write coordinates. Coordinates of A are minus 4 comma minus 2, coordinates of C are 3 comma minus 2, and coordinates of D are 2 comma 3. So now this one you have to consider as x1 y1, this one you have to consider as x2 y2, this one you have to consider as x3 y3. So now what our formula says, area of triangle ACD, that is equal to, what area of triangle formula says, here already I wrote area of triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So wherever x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 are there, we have to substitute these values. So half I wrote as it is. Here x1 means minus 4, y2 minus y3 means minus 2 minus y3 is 3, plus x2, what is x2? 3. So x2 into y3 minus y1, y3 is 3 minus y1 is minus 2, then plus x3 value is 2 into, what you have to write, y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is minus 2. So now we have to simplify this. What happens, half into minus 4 into minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, plus 3 into, this 3 I wrote as it is, minus into minus plus 2, plus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2. Now we have to simplify this to get the result. So we have to simplify for this. So this is half I wrote as it is. Here minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20, plus here 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 3s are 15, plus this 2 I wrote as it is, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So this is half into 20 plus 15 plus 2 into 0 is 0. So this is equal to half into 20 plus 15 is 35. So this is equal to 35 by 2. What is 35 by 2? Area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD, that is 35 by 2, or else we can express as 17.5 square units. Now what we have to find out? Area of quadrilateral ABCD, that is equal to area of quadrilateral ABCD, that is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So how to find out area of quadrilateral? Area of triangle ABC. What is the area of triangle ABC? That is nothing but 21 by 2. And area of triangle ACD, that is 35 by 2. So here denominators are same. If you add numerators, what happens? This is a denominator is same, 21 plus 35. So we have to add for this. It will become 56 by 2. 2 ones are 2 28s are. So this is 28 square units. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 28 square units. This is our required solution. Now we have to go for fifth problem. We have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A of 4, minus 6, B of 3, minus 2 and C of 5, 2. So now here we have to go for fifth problem. First you have to take A, B, C. So if you join, then it will become triangle ABC. Right? So this is A. What are the coordinates of A? 4, minus 6. Here this is B. This is 3, minus 2. And this is a coordinate C, that is 5, 2. So now median mean, here median is a line segment which is going to divide equally to a given side from the opposite vertex. So this is midpoint of BC. This point I am going to call as D. So if I draw a median means this median is going to divide it into two equal triangles. Equal triangles means those are equal in areas. That one we have to show here. So now what to do? We have to find out point D. How to find out point D? Point D is midpoint of BC. So after finding point D, then what to do? We have to find out area of triangle ABD and we have to find out area of triangle ADC. Both areas will be equal. Solution: let AD, this line, AD be the median of triangle ABC. If AD is median means then coordinates of D, that is equal to, so coordinates of D we have to find out by using midpoint formula. What midpoint formula says? X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So here X1 is 3 plus 5 divided by 2. Here minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. So this is 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2. This is 0 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. This is 4, 0. So coordinate of point D is 4, 0. Now by using coordinates of ABC, here by using coordinates of ABD, we have to find out area of triangle ABD. And by using coordinates of ADC, we have to find out area of triangle ADC. Both will be equal. That one you have to prove here. To find area of triangle ABD. Here A coordinates 4 comma minus 6, B coordinates that is 3 comma minus 2, and D coordinates that is 4 comma 0. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So area of triangle is equal to what? Area of triangle formula says half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is area of triangle formula. In this area of triangle formula, we have to substitute the values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. See here, this is half into, here x1 is 4, y2 is minus 2 minus of y3 is 0 plus x2 is 3, y3 is 0 minus y1 is minus 6 plus x3 is 4, y1 is minus 6, y2 is minus 2. Now we have to simplify for this. This half I wrote as it is 4 into minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2 plus 3 I wrote as it is. This is 0 minus 2 minus plus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 minus 2 minus plus 2. Now we have to simplify for this. Half into 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6 is 6 only. 6 3s are 18. Here minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 into plus 4, it is minus 16. Now we have to solve for this. Half into, here minus 8 plus 18, that is plus 10. Plus 10 minus 16, that is minus 6. So 2 ones are 2 3s are. So this is minus 3. Therefore, area of triangle ABD, that is equal to minus 3 square units. Now to find area of ADC, here coordinates of point A are 4 comma minus 6 and coordinates of point D are 4 comma 0 and coordinates of point C are 5 comma 2. Here this one you have to consider as x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So according to area of triangle formula, what it says, area of triangle that is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is our formula. In this formula, we have to substitute x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 as these coordinates, and we have to simplify for that. So see here what happens. So in this formula, in this problem, if I take that is equal to half I wrote as it is. Here x1 is 4 and y2 is 0 minus y3 is 2 plus x2 is 4. Here x1 is 4, x2 is also 4 and y3 is 2 minus y1 is minus 6 plus x3 is 5, y1 is minus 6 minus y2 is 0. So now this is equal to half I wrote as it is. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Then this 4 I wrote as it is. 2 also I wrote as it is. Minus into minus plus 6. Plus 5 I wrote as it is. Minus 6 minus 0, that is minus 6 only. So this is half into, here minus 8 I wrote as it is. 6 plus 2 8. 8 4s are 32. Then plus into minus minus. 5 6 are 30. Now if you simplify this bracket, half into minus 8 plus 32 is minus 24. Here plus 24. Minus 8 plus 32 is plus 24. 24 minus 30 is minus 6. Then 2 ones are 2 3. So this is minus 3 square units. So what you are right? Area of triangle ADC, that is equal to minus 3 square units. So now what we have to say from here, this one area of triangle ABD, this is what to call as equation number 1. This one you have to call as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, what you have to say? Area of triangle ABD, that is equal to area of triangle ADC. So which implies what you have to write? Median of a triangle divides it into two triangles. Median of a triangle divides into two triangles with equal areas. This is our required result.